Hey, are you searching for a projector? Then this video is for you. Before we start, please don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price. Today we're taking a look at the Valerion VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser 4K projector, a premium home entertainment powerhouse designed for movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a massive screen experience without the limitations of a traditional television. Right away, one of the biggest highlights is the advanced triple laser projection system that delivers stunning color accuracy, incredible brightness, and exceptional image quality. With 3000 ISO lumens and a remarkable 15,000:1 contrast ratio, this projector creates deep blacks, vivid colors, and impressive detail even in challenging scenes. Whether you're watching blockbuster movies, sports events, nature documentaries, or streaming your favorite shows, the picture quality feels immersive and cinematic. The projector supports native 4K UHD resolution along with HDR10+ and dynamic tone mapping technology, helping optimize brightness and contrast scene by scene. Combined with IMAX Enhanced certification and AI-powered image processing, content appears sharper, richer, and more lifelike. Another standout feature is the OpticFlex lens system with 0.9 to 1.5 optical zoom. This gives you greater flexibility during setup and allows you to project images up to 300 inches while maintaining excellent clarity. Auto focus, auto keystone correction, auto screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance make installation surprisingly simple even for first-time projector owners. Gamers will also appreciate what this projector offers. With an ultra-fast 4 milliseconds input lag and refresh rates up to 240 Hz, gameplay feels smooth, responsive, and highly competitive. Dedicated gaming modes for FPS, RPG, and racing titles help optimize performance, while ultra-wide screen support creates a more immersive gaming environment. If you're building a dream gaming room, this projector deserves serious consideration. Beyond visuals and gaming, the VisionMaster Pro 2 is packed with smart features. Google TV is built in, providing direct access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and thousands of other apps without needing an external streaming device. Support for AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Miracast, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Alexa gives you flexible control options across multiple ecosystems. Voice commands make navigating content quick and convenient. For everyday use, this projector works beautifully in home theaters, living rooms, media rooms, man caves, and even backyard movie nights. The bright laser engine helps maintain a vibrant image across different viewing environments. As for drawbacks, the premium performance comes with a premium price tag, making it more suitable for serious enthusiasts rather than casual viewers. Additionally, while bright, dedicated darkroom environments still deliver the absolute best cinematic experience. Overall, the Valerion VisionMaster Pro 2 combines exceptional 4K image quality, advanced laser technology, elite gaming performance, flexible installation options, and powerful smart streaming features into one impressive package. If you're ready to upgrade your home entertainment experience, this projector is definitely worth a closer look. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the link below for the latest price and offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.